Okay, so in this first tutorial, number one, we are going to model this piece. And let's start by opening a Freecad. We are in the part design, open an empty file. I have Blender in here, and in here I have standard millimeter kilogram second. And let's go to our image. You can see we have this part in here, 100 by 100. The thickness of the plate is 10 millimeters. So from here, create body, create sketch, choose the plane, and from here we have centered rectangle. Click on the center, 100 by 100. Right click to exit the tool, and as you can see it's fully green, so it's fully constrained. Close the sketch. We have the pad tool in here. Click on it. We said it's 10 millimeter thick, 10 millimeter. Click OK, and this is the first part. Let's see. We have a fillet which is 20 in here on these corners. So choose this edge, choose this other one, choose, hold control when you choose these. You have to hold control when you're clicking. And now I have chosen all of the four corners that I want to fillet. We have the fillet tool in here, or you can use it from here. Now it's going to ask me what's the radius. We said it's 20 millimeters, and click enter, 20 millimeters. And now this is what we have. This is the result. We need, let's go back to the image. We can see there are four holes in here. The diameter is 20 millimeters. Choose where do you want. We need to sketch the holes onto this plane. I will I will I will sketch the holes on this plane. So click on the surface that you want to add your. Basically, you choose the surface that you want to sketch on. So I chose this one, and I want to sketch on this surface. Create sketch. From here, the circle tool. One, two, three, four. The size and the position is not important right now. The size, we said it's 20 millimeters. You can add the dimension from here. We have the dimension tool in here, or you can press D from the keyboard. I prefer to press D. And now we have the dimension tool. Click on here, 20. I can add the dimension on this one also, and I can add the dimension on this one also, but it's not good to make it, to do it in this way. A better way is by, now we have this 20 millimeter dimension in here, and we want to make these other circles same size. So instead of going through them all separately one by one, choose them all like this, click, 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 and we have in here constraint equal, click on it. And now all of them are the same size. From this drawing, we can see that the dimension of this hole is symmetric. So from here to this line is the same as from here to this line. Now I clicked on this and clicked on this and clicked on this, and I have this tool in here, constrain symmetric. See what it does? I'm going to do the same thing onto this one. Click on here, click on here, and click on here. Constrain symmetric. And this is much faster than adding dimensions separately to these. You know, it's it's slow if you start doing it like this, going separately, adding dimensions. So Use these constraints. It's better. And now we need to constrain it on the on this in this other direction. Choose this. Choose this one. Choose this one. Constrain it. See what it does? Now I need to add the dimensions only to one circle, and it's going to be automatically the same for these other circles. Let's go to the image. We can see from the image that it's from this corner 20, from this edge 20, and from this edge to the center of the circle is 20. Now we can think of it in another way. We have this coordinate and it's 100, and the plate size is 100 by 100. We said from here to here should be 20, and from here to here should be 20. Now, if you think about it, if from here to here is 20, this means that this is going to be 30. And if from here to here is 20, this dimension has to be 30. So I could constrain it by adding the dimension 30 and 30, and it would be the same as this image. However, let's say I didn't have this coordinate to work on or to add the dimension on. What can I do? I cannot choose this and I cannot choose this edge. So what do I need to do? We have a tool in here, create external geometry. Click on it, and now we can create external geometry on this 3D model. I need this one, and I would need this one. Right click to exit the tool, and now I have two other lines that I can constrain this circle onto. So D from the keyboard, choose this one, choose the center of the circle, click on here. We said it's 20. Choose the line, choose the center of the circle, and we said this one is 20. And now this is the same result. Close the sketch. We need to make holes go through. The pocket tool is in here, or you can choose the pocket tool from here, whichever you like. And now it asks for the length. See what it does. But instead of playing with this one, I need it. I know it's going to go through all. So from here, choose through all, and we have our piece modeled. I'm going to close this. The piece is ready. It's modeled. Let's say if I want to add a tech draw. Let's say I want to make a tech draw of this. Go here, tech draw. And now, first thing that you need to do is let's add a template. I have made my own template in here. Here's my template. The name of the piece, the quantity, designer, date, paper size, scale, job number, drawing number, and so on. And I want to add this piece onto the template. So I choose the piece, and from here, insert view. Click on it. You can rotate it from here. I want this top view, and from here you can show different projections, whichever you like, but we don't need these ones. This is the only one I need. The size, it seems to be okay. So what I'm going to do, I will add top view. I will press OK. The size seems okay. If the size isn't okay, you can change the scale from here. Just click custom and play with it. I will click OK. Here is my piece. Now if I need to add dimensions. What do I do? Again, we have the tools in here, but I prefer to press D from keyboard. Choose this point, choose this point, and 100. Choose this point, choose this point, 100. Choose this one, it's going to show the radius, which is 20. Choose the radius. This is the diameter of the hole is 20. And what else we need? This point, 20, this point, 20. And we can show the thickness of the plate. From here you can turn off the frames. And I think we have the drawing. We can also, if we want, just a visual thing to make this drawing much nicer. Choose the circles, and we have this tool in here. Add circle center lines to make the drawing a little bit nicer. If I press VF from the keyboard, it's going to center it, and here we have our drawing ready.